1. First Governor of Bengal. Answer is Lord Clive, 1757 to 60. 2. Last Governor of Bengal. Answer is Warren Hastings, 1772 to 74. 3. First Governor General of Bengal. Answer is Warren Hastings, 1774 to 85. 4. First Governor General of India. Answer is Lord William Bentinck, 1833 to 35. 5. Last Governor General and first Viceroy of India. Answer is Lord Canning, 1856 to 62. 6. First President of Indian National Congress. Answer is W.C. Banerjee. 7. First and last Indian Governor General of Independent India. Answer is C. Rajgopalachari, 21.06.1948 to 25/01, 1950. 8. First Indian to pass ICS. Answer is Satyendra Nath Tagore, 1863. 9. First Indian ICS officer. Answer is Satyendra Nath Tagore, 1864. 10. First Governor General of India, after independence and last British Governor General of India. Lord Louis Mountbatten, 15 1947 to 20 June, I 948.